Alright guys, we're here at Exclusive Wraps and I'm getting ready to drop off the Supra Exclusive Wraps. So pretty excited. See how the Supra looks once it's done. It is just getting a clear coat, so it will just, you won't see too much happening, but I do want the PPF on this thing. I thought about doing stealth, so make it matte, but I decided I want to, just because I do have the Azure blue, the Stratosphere blue, I do want to keep it that gloss. So let's head in, give them the key, and we'll be back in, I'd say, about a week. Yo,
surprise!
How are ya?
Good,
Look, I'm standing at the front counter and everything. I didn't help myself in there.
Why are you wearing a Chevy t-shirt?
Here's the keys. Chevy t-shirt. Yeah, morning,
Hey,
Jeff.
should be wearing a
So, dropping the Supra in, guys. How long do you reckon it'll be here for?
Oh, about 2 weeks. Yeah. Probably 7 days.
About a week? Cool. And gloss?
Yes. Oh, you tell me. Oh,
Gloss, no black roof, what do you reckon? No black roof? Just a regular...
Stuff later on. That's a beauty PPF.
Sweet.
Rip it off, do it again.
Rip it off, do it again?
Yeah.
That is a good one. All right, we'll just go gloss, no black roof. Sweet. All right, well, we'll see you guys in a week. See you later, keys. Holy crap. Done. That looks unreal. Thank you so much, Nick. Cheers, man. That looks so glossy. Holy. Whoa. That looks so good. Man, how good are your edges? Anything hard? Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah, it's pretty hard, but...
Dude, it looks so perfect. Did you do the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
On your own?
Yeah.
Really?
Obviously, I have a few things to quiet, but yeah, mostly everything's behind.
Thank you, Nick. I appreciate it, man. You've done an awesome job, dude. Some practice for your own car?
Yeah, it's a practice for my own car. I can't wait.
You're getting your Supra soon?
Well, I just ordered it, so do another like 13 months.
I'm so surprised with everything you've done. This. Did you do that? Did you do that?
Yeah,
did
yeah,
you do
I
the,
did, yeah.
So you did the skirt?
Yeah, this is good.
Did you do the light?
Yeah, I did. You can't see it.
Jeez. So you did that, like, I'm trying to find something. What have you not done? Did you do the badge?
Badge? Yeah. Badge is on there.
Oh, I can see that.
Yeah.
right there. Damn. What's it stand for?
Greek racing.
Greek racing.
Yeah, that's what the guy told me when I was ordering mine. Because you have to buy it. Because it stands for Greek racing.
Look who showed up.
I did. Wait. How'd you guys go?
Good man, check it out. What do you reckon?
Happy with it?
Yeah, it looks awesome. Just cleaning cars. The guy's always working. Guys, I just wanted to say a big thank you, Exclusive Wraps and Nick. So, got the owners right here actually. It's a trio. So, I've got Steve, Jeff, and Justin. And they've booked this car in for me. It's been here a week. I look at it, it looks unreal. Nick has actually been doing all the work. He's got a Supra on order as well. So we'll probably see one in here, his own car.
Go through it.
But guys, just want to come in, just say thank you to all of you. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Cheers, Nick.
That's all good.
Thank you, man. Thank you, Jeff. Guys, they've really looked after me. It's been a really awesome experience, and I couldn't ask for anything more than what they've done. I've come in here and there's been so many more panels wrapped than I actually thought they were going to do. So they've gone like way above what I imagined. So thank you guys. I can't stop saying it. It looks absolutely unreal. Thank you, Nick. You did all the work.
Thank you.
How would you expect to be covered? Not the whole car?
Oh, I just didn't know. I've never had a full wrap done. Like it's got all the side skirts and stuff done like that.
All those bits.
Yeah, like the lights. I didn't think the lights would be wrapped.
Okay.
Yeah, like the badges, the Toyota badges. I didn't expect like the tops of the mirrors because the material doesn't feel
They're
flat.
a bitch. There's, I see those three fins on the
yeah,
side.
yeah.
Which is like, what do we do with that? I just
But like, that's what I mean. I come in here expecting all the blue to be wrapped, not the rest of it. But that's, I guess, what happens when you go to places that are actually really good, right? They do things that normal people don't expect. Cheers, guys.